I am teaching master barbers as well as master cosmetologists, getting them ready for a next step straight out of high school to go into their career path.
Also, of course, you learn how to cut hair, and then you learn the safety of cutting hair, but you also learn how to, well, your teacher will teach you the business side of it and financial parts of it.
When I was younger, I used to always see my mom cutting hair, and I started cutting hair in about quarantine. I cut my dad hair, and it was just took off from there. My parents, they love it. They proud of me. They glad I do this. My mom, they were the ones who kept on pushing me to do it.
I feel good. I love it. I can do it 24/7 if I could, but yeah, I love it.
Because all students are not wanting to do the traditional pathway of going to higher education in a traditional college. They're able to go straight into their career choice even before getting out of high school. Those who became barbers before, they're actually working in shops, so they're starting their career at a very young age.